Good morning to the students of class LKG. Today, welcome back to the activity book Seesaw Part A. As we have seen in the previous classes, page number 12 and 13, we are supposed to complete this page and we have to complete the letter from I to Q. What the work was given, we will see. In the first letter, you had to write I. In the second row, you have to write J. In the third row, you have to write K. Okay, after this you had to leave one line here, and in the fifth line you had to go to write with L, and then in the sixth line M, then in the seventh line N, and after that you have to leave one line here, and then in the ninth line you have to write O, 10th P, and 11th you have to write Q. Okay, I have taught you writing all these. I told you to do this exercise and to complete it. I presume you have completed this page number 13. Today let's proceed to the next page, that is page number 14. Okay, in page number 14, what are you supposed to do? Yes, very good. We have to write on the date and the classwork. So, take a pencil. See that your pencil should be sharp. The pencil should be sharp. You sharpen it by your sharpener, and then you write a date. The date is 08/06/2020. After that, you can write here classwork. Though it has been written for you, but still you can write that. And then you will speak first. You will speak the letter as R, 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 then S, 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 then T, 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 then U, 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 then V, 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 then W, 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 then X, 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 then Y, 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 then Z, Z, Z. Then let's see how to write. First you write in the dotted line, you write R like that. First you drop the line here and then take a curve and then again drop the line. So similarly you can write in the space provided to you, make a curve and then drop the line. First one straight line, after then make a curve and then drop the line. Then a standing line, then a curve and then a slanting line. Then standing line, a curve and then a slanting line. Then what is for R? We all know R is for red. Then what is for S? Then S is for ship. So how will you write S? Take a curve here and then drop it down and then go it up like that. S. Okay. So S like that you will write down. A small curve here and then a round and then a curve. A small curve here, then a round and a curve. So S for what? S for ship. Then T is for tiger. Okay. One horizontal line and one vertical line. One horizontal line, that is a sleeping line, and one standing line. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. So what do you call T for? T for tiger. Now leave one line here and then go to U. So first we will write in the dotted line, that is one turn you have to take. U, you have to give a turn like that. Okay. So take your pencil down, then turn your pencil and take it up. So drop your pencil down, turn the pencil and take it up. Drop your pencil down, turn the pencil and take it up. Drop your pencil down, turn the pencil and take it up. And then we have V. So one slanting line and the next slanting line. First you drop the slanting lines from top to bottom and then from bottom to top. From top to bottom, then from bottom to top. One slanting line from top to bottom and then from bottom to top. From top to bottom and then from bottom to top. From top to bottom and then from bottom to top. So what does V stands for? V stands for van. Now we have W. So W is for what? Watch. W is for what? Watch, or you can also say well. Well, कुआं जिसको कहते हैं, WELL, well. So it is like that. You drop one line here, then take up and then go down and then go up. Then drop the line, slanting line here, then take it up, then drop it down, then go up. First slanting line here, then take it up and then go down and then go up. Slanting line, take up, drop down, go up. Okay, so this is your W. Leave one line here. Then X is for Xmas tree. We all love to celebrate Christmas, isn't it? So for X comes for Xmas tree. So one cross, the multiplication sign can also be called an X. Okay. And then we have Y. Two vertical line and one straight line. Two vertical line from the sides and one straight line. Two vertical line from the sides, one straight line. Two vertical line from the sides and one straight line. Okay, so Y stands for what? Y stands for yacht. Y-A-C-H-T. Yacht. Yacht meant your noun. Then Z for stands for what? Zebra. Z stands for 0 also. So take a sleeping line, then a slanting line and a sleeping line. Sleeping line, then slanting line, then sleeping line. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. So Z comes for what? Zoo. I presume you have done this. Now with this one is your homework. This date you have to write same 08, 06 and 20. Okay. So write this letter as I have taught you, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and complete your page. That is page number 15. Till the next time, be safe, be at home and stay healthy.